In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create duotone effect in Affinity Photo. A duotone is a simple, striking way to give your photo a bold, stylized look by mapping all the lights and darks to two colors. It's popular for posters, album covers, and social graphics because it's fast, flexible, and non-destructive. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. You can drag a file into the workspace or use the File menu to open it. Choose a photo with clear contrast between shadows and highlights for the best results, though this technique works on almost any image. If your photo is too dark or too bright, that's okay. We'll shape the look with the duotone colors in a moment. Next, go to Adjustments. You'll find Adjustments in the Layers panel and also under the main menu. Using adjustments keeps your edits non-destructive, which means you can change them at any time without harming the original image. If you don't see the panel, make sure your workspace is set to show it so you can reach everything quickly. Select Gradient Map. This adjustment maps the brightness values of your image to colors along a gradient, turning luminance into color. In simple terms, the darkest parts take on one color, the lightest parts take on another, and everything in between transitions smoothly. It appears as an adjustment layer, so you can edit it later or toggle it off to compare. Now choose two colors for the duotone. Click the gradient bar to set your colors. The left stop controls the shadows, and the right stop controls the highlights. Pick a darker hue for shadows and a lighter, complementary hue for highlights to keep detail readable. Warm-cool pairs work well, as do monochromatic combinations with different brightness levels. If the result looks inverted, simply swap the two stops or use the reverse option. Slide the stops slightly inward to compress the transition for a punchier look, or spread them apart for a softer, more subtle effect. Finally, adjust until it looks right. Drag the midpoint to control where the image shifts from the shadow color to the highlight color, and fine-tune each stop's hue and brightness to balance contrast. If the effect feels too intense, lower the adjustment layer's opacity for a gentler blend. Zoom in to check important areas like faces or text, then zoom out to judge the overall impact. Toggle the adjustment's visibility on and off to compare, and refine until the mood matches your vision. That's the duotone effect in Affinity Photo: clean, flexible, and quick to master.